love fire trucks. On our walk home every day, Mom takes me by the fire station. The big red fire trucks are my favorite of all the trucks. I love fire trucks. The flashing lights are exciting, and the siren is very loud. As soon as we exit the daycare doors, I point and say, "This way, to the fire trucks." Mom and I are walking down the street and we pass by big buildings. As we approach the intersection, we stop and get ready to cross at the traffic lights. We must wait for the signal to indicate it's safe to cross. Mom always says, "Hold my hand while we cross the busy street." We reach the other side of the street. I always stop to look at the water fountain in front of the hotel, but there's never any water in it, and Mom says she doesn't why. I try to imagine how the fountain would look with clear blue water, especially on hot days. We continue our walk, and I say to Mom, "I like to watch the bright flashing fire truck lights. It's also fun to see the spinning rotor-ray in motion. I start move my hand in a circle, motions." We approach the fire station. My heart pounds with excitement, and I start to smile from ear to ear. We are almost there. I become more and more excited with every step closer. Finally, we get to the fire station. "Mommy, Mommy, Mommy!" I point and start to scream at the top of my voice, "Fire truck, fire truck, fire truck!" Together, we watch the fire truck reverse into the fire station. The doors to the fire truck open and the firefighters step down. We say hello. Darnell is one of the firefighters. He asked me, "Would you like to sit in the fire truck?" I looked at Mom, she nodded and said go for it. I smiled and said, "Yes, please." Wow, it's a long way up. I'm so high off the ground. The lights are flashing while I'm sitting in the fire truck. I pretend I'm driving the fire truck. We are just leaving, and the fire truck starts. The lights are flashing and siren signals. They are on the move. We continue our journey home. I love the big red fire trucks.